Find the missing number. Can you find the missing number in 30 seconds? Yes, then comment please. Let's find the solution. I'm taking the number 6, which is first number, and I observed that by adding 9 we can get the number 15. So I'm adding 9 here. I added the 9 in 6. Number 9 in 6 and got the number 15, which is the next number. So now I am taking the number 15, which is next number, and here we observe that by adding 8 in the 15 we can get the next number, which is 23. So I am adding here number 8. By adding number 8 in 15 we got the next number, which is 23. Now the turn of next number, which is 23. So I am taking 23 and adding 7 in the 23. By adding 7 we got the number 30, which is our next number. Next I am taking the number 30 and observed that by adding number 6 in the 30 we can get the next number, which is 36. So I am adding here 6. By adding the number 6 in 30 we got the number 36, which is our next number. Now the turn of next number. So I am taking the number 36 and by sequence here the turn of number 5. So I am adding 5 here. By adding 5 in the 36 we got the next number, which is 41. So now the turn of 41. So I am taking 41 and here we can observe that the turn now is 4. So I am adding here 4. By adding number 4 in the 41 we got the number 45, which is our next number. Now the turn of 45. So I am taking 45 and adding 3 in the 45. By adding 3 in the 45 we got the number 48. Here we can see that 48 is our next number. Now the turn of 48. By this sequence we can observe that the number which we can add is 2. So the next turn of number 2. Now I am taking the number 48 and adding 2 in the 48. By adding 2 in the 48 we got the number 50, which is our missing number. So here we find the missing number by this method. The missing number is 50. If you have an alternate solution, then comment please.